dance party time. Who's ready? Who's ready to get there? Oh, are you going to get this? Zoe, come dance. That was a good move. Very good. Zoe, you want to dance with Haley? Come dance.
That way we not do it like that.
Well, you can.
That's some.
There's no right and wrong with dancing.
No right or wrong with. Zoe, dance. Come on, sing, R. I love that twirl, Hale.
Hale, you want to take Zoe's hands and dance with her?
Hale, Zozo, go dance with Haley. Oh, that was a good twirl, too.
There you go, Zoe. There you
Dancing,
go.
baby girl.
There are the moves.
Do you guys all want to hold hands and dance in a circle?
Yeah.
Or hold hands with Hale and Zoe and do a circle dance. Okay. Very busy. Oh, good twirl. Very good.
I want to see more dancing, Zoe.
Come on, Zozo, go dance with Hale. Go dance with Hale.
Go Haley, go Zoe, go Ari.
Yeah. Those are stairs. Oh, good dancing. I like that move too, R.
Good move, Zoe.
Go dance together.
Hale, take Zoe's hands and dance.
Let me see this Superman, Power Ranger, Fireman dance. Let me see it.
No, it is a nice and good sunset.
Let me see what that looks like, Ari.
Let's see it, Zoe.
Nice.
Come on, I want to see what that dance looks like. It sounds very cool. Okay, R.
Everybody bow.
Oh, yay! What a performance! Woo! Yay!